How's it, guys? Welcome back for another video. I'm here at another client or client's tanks, their water tank installation. Yeah, uh, we had to replace a solar panel there on the back of the bucky in front there. There's the old one. There's an old 50 watt. It's not working anymore for some reason. I just think of old age. Replacing it with a little bit of a newer model. Also a 50 watt. You can actually see the size, much smaller. Comes up there. We're going to put it. Now this controls the ball for the complex. This is little, sorry guys, there's so many bloody bugs here, it's just not true. There's the control unit over there. What it does is they control the ball with their cell phone. So as soon as the ball goes a little bit low, the tanks are a little bit too low, it sends a signal to whoever's controlling the ball, and then that person switches on the ball with his cell phone. Then he regulates it like that. They have a battery inside there, and the solar panel charges the battery. And they don't want to come up here anymore, it's because right next to us is a sewage plant. But it has been working for, looks like to me, for a year now, for our wonderful municipality here on the south coast. As you can see, the sewage water is running through, going down here past the bucky. The person has to walk very slow because the ground is so saturated. That's just the sad thing of our municipality, our government. They don't keep this. They don't do the upkeeping. So yeah, I think the electric motors or something is broken or not working like that. And the sad thing is they don't do anything to sort it out. So yeah, it's just one of those things probably. So we're gonna put up the panel, run the wire down the pole, and then connect it onto the box and see if it charges. Okay guys, see you when it's finished. Ja,
Jy moet nie so rof werkie.
as ek hier neer moet pak hierdie plek.
Ek is die video, I'm the video guy. I can't help you. That's what happens when somebody works with solar and they're scared of heights. Very, 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 very bad smell here today. Okay. Get back to you as soon as we can.
Okay, how's it guys? We're almost finished. The panel is up after I almost saw my mealie. So yeah, that sucked. And here's the wires. Yeah, I know what you're all gonna say is not solar wireless cat tie wire, but it will do the same thing as this to charge the battery over here. It will last much longer than what they had here. What they had in here was this thin speaker cable. As you can see, thin speaker cable they had in here. So we upgraded it to much better wire. It's not solar wire, I know it, but it will do the job. And what I like about this, it's a little bit has a coating around it, so it will last a little bit longer. So yeah, and this was a tight budget, tight budget for the client, so we had to make plan. Guys, if you ever climb on a pole like this, see if you can put like a rope or something onto your bucky to hold the weight or something, because yes, it sucked almost nana. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting and connecting. Also, when you work with your wire, your solar wire, when you're connected on top, just be careful that your wires don't touch each other because you can damage the solar panel. Let me take this one also out. Oh yeah. Yeah, phone speaker cable. Let's hope this little charge controller works.
What are you looking at now?
I'm looking at the lights to see if the panel is coming up. This thing is so stuffy inside here. Yeah. You see now. Okay. Let's push this back. This is the control unit.
There's a light flashing inside. Over there somewhere. It was flashing.
Now the green status light. This is for the controller. So I haven't worked with this one before, so I'm not too sure.
If you use the voltmeter to check the incoming
Yeah.
volts. Okay, be back in a few. Okay.
Yeah guys, it sucks walking through this. As you can see, I'm just sinking in like crazy. What a person must actually do is grab one of those guys by the neck, by the municipality, or sitting behind a desk, and make him walk here through with his fancy shoes. And then they'll actually realize, hey guys, we need to sort this problem out. Look there. Yeah. Oh well. I'm gonna go to DC. Let's have a look. On this side, to that side. 12. Okay, so it must be charging. It's on this side. I'm reading 12.2. So I stepped it down from 17 volts to 12.2, so it must be charging. 11.5. So this battery was a little bit flat. Let's check it out. Should read the same, 11.5. 11.5. So it must be charging. .2. Let me check something. It's a 9.6. So that was charging. So this should read 9. No, this is 11. 11.5. Copy that to there. 17.6, no? Yeah, 17.6 volts. So if I put it in, it should step it down. This is a little less, I think this is a 2 amp battery, less than 2 amps Intel. This is 7 amp. Yeah, 8 amp battery, 12 volt. So this should charge it full. Yeah, 12.2 on the solar panel side, so it is pulling it down. 11.6, so it's now on 11.5, I think. So it is charging. That's good news. I think they'll be happy not to come up from all the way at the bottom, because this system is a gravity feed system, this water tank system. And what's actually quite interesting on this system, just not the mud. Now what happens is, the first tank gets full.
The first tank on the left.
First tank on the right, that side. That one gets full. Then there's like a daisy train. So it gets filled, comes this way, fills into the second tank, fills into the third tank. But as you can see, I'm going to go closer. Look at the height of the pipes. This one is lower, that one's a bit higher. So what's happening, it's filling up, it runs over to this tank. As this one fills up, I think this one's pipe must be at the back. Yeah, yes, this one's pipe. Goes through here. Oh, spiders. Comes in, fills this one. This one, as soon as this one's filled, it fills up that one. And from that one, fills there, it fills the rest of the tanks over here. The reason why they connected it up like this is actually quite interesting. It's to clean the water. The reason why I say to clean the water, because sometimes when you pump, your bore water what comes up is a little bit dirty. It comes like sediments in it. So what they do is they pump the first dirty water into these tanks over here, and as it flows down, it gets cleaner and cleaner and cleaner and cleaner, and it goes clean water in these tanks. So it's actually quite a clever system. So yeah, hey, I don't know if you will hear it, but you can actually hear it filling. So that's good news.
Okay, can you now finish up?
Okay, guys. Seems to me my camera guy is always in a hurry. I'm gonna start closing up here. We can finish. We can just get away from this dirty mud and sewage and what's running down here. And it stings like heavy. Yeah. Anyways, okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and yeah. Good comments, not bad comments, guys. Thank you.